The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid stands out as a beacon of innovation, efficiency, and versatility. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the latest iteration refines what it means to drive a hybrid SUV. Whether you're seeking eco-friendly performance, state-of-the-art technology, or enhanced safety, the RAV4 Hybrid offers it all in a sleek and stylish package. Powertrain and efficiency, smooth, powerful, and green. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid boasts a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's advanced hybrid system. The combination delivers an impressive 219 horsepower, ensuring quick acceleration and smooth performance. The electric motor complements the gas engine seamlessly, providing instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. With an estimated 40 miles per gallon combined fuel economy, the RAV4 Hybrid is perfect for daily commutes and long road trips alike. The optional electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling on any terrain, from city streets to rugged trails. Exterior design, bold and refined. The 2025 RAV4 Hybrid combines rugged SUV aesthetics with modern elegance. Its bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and dynamic body lines create a confident and aerodynamic profile. New color options, such as Lunar Rock and Cavalry Blue, add personality and flair to the design. The blacked-out accents on the XSE trim elevate its sporty appeal, making it stand out even further. Interior and comfort, spacious and tech-focused. Inside, the RAV4 Hybrid continues to impress with a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces provide a premium feel. The standard 8-inch touchscreen, or optional 12.3-inch display, integrates seamlessly with Toyota's latest infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom, while the generous cargo space ensures you can pack everything you need for your adventures. Available features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic moonroof, and ambient lighting make every drive a luxurious experience. Technology, innovation at your fingertips. Toyota has equipped the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid with cutting-edge technology. The digital gauge cluster provides customizable information displays, while the available head-up display keeps essential data in your line of sight. Advanced driver aids, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and traffic sign recognition, come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering peace of mind on the road. Additionally, the optional 10-speaker JBL premium audio system ensures crystal-clear sound quality, perfect for road trip playlists or catching up on podcasts. Safety and reliability, built to protect. Toyota's unwavering commitment to safety is evident in the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid. The comprehensive suite of safety features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The vehicle's high-strength frame and multiple airbags enhance passenger protection, earning it top safety ratings. Conclusion: a hybrid for every adventure. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is more than just a hybrid SUV. It's a complete package for drivers who prioritize efficiency, style, and reliability. With its robust performance, modern technology, and eco-conscious design, the RAV4 Hybrid is ready to meet the demands of modern life. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on a weekend adventure, or simply enjoying the ride, the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid proves that you don't have to compromise on performance or sustainability. It's a vehicle built for the future, today.